Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Okay, so there's a couple other parts to this question. You're essentially saying that when he was first detained, he was let go because he was a U.S. citizen, and now he's having issues, and you think he can't get his Social Security or whatever it is. So, a couple things. He's either a U.S. citizen or he's not. Now, given I said that, if people derive citizenship or acquire citizenship because of things that their parents and or grandparents did, then that all has to be proven. So, first thing I would need to know is you're claiming that they said he was a U.S. citizen. Who is they, and what proof is it that they had? If he's a U.S. citizen, he can walk into a Social Security office, apply, and get a Social Security card that day. So I'm suspecting that somebody didn't say he was a U.S. citizen and he was let go for some other reason. If in fact he is a citizen through derivation or acquisition, then he needs to prove all that, okay? And citizenship law will apply at the time of whatever it is that he did or whatever event occurred that gave rise to his citizenship. It might be, his mom got naturalized before he was 18, or it might be his dad was born in the U.S., or it might be there was the requirement of physical presence of either parent for 10 years or 5 years before he turned 14. I mean, there's all kinds of different rules depending on when it occurred and how old he is and so forth. And if that's the case, then you can't be worrying at this point about getting him a Social Security and whether he's going to get arrested. If there is a true belief that he is a U.S. citizen and you have something to back that up, then it's a matter of preparing the application for U.S. citizenship. That can be either through a naturalization certificate at USCIS, or it can be from a U.S. passport through Department of State. And it's a matter, when my office puts it through, I usually always elect for the U.S. passport because it is more recognized worldwide than the certificate of citizenship. Um, but what you would do, or what my office does, is we do the attorney cover letter. We show what law applies when, of course, the person has gained citizenship. We show all of the requirements of what is needed, and then we submit evidence of why it has been met. Remember, it is your husband's burden to prove he's a U.S. citizen. It is not their burden to prove he's not. Okay? Which means if you're going to be asking for this and applying for the passport, there has to be sufficient evidence to show why. So again, I come back to, if he was not deported because he was a U.S. citizen, why did they think that? I mean, they may have, some ICE official may have believed that, but it's one thing believing it, it's another thing proving it. So if that's the case, there's no need to wait. Get the citizenship slash passport application together, make sure it's done properly and submitted. And if in fact he has a good chance, he'll get a U.S. passport, and then boom, he's got proof he's a U.S. citizen. Okay.